everyone, my name is Sakshi Jagdar. Today's topic drug discovery and development. Drug, a chemical substance of a known structure uh, other than a nutrient or an essential dietary ingredients, which when administered to a living organism produces a biological effect. Discovery phases identification of a new chemical entity as a potential therapeutic agents. Development phase compound is tested for safety and uh, efficacy for one or more for one and more clinical indications that is and suitable. An important changes to the drug discovery is a classical and a conventional. It should be replaced with the term inventions. In the past, drugs were discovered as a natural products and used as such. Now, now drugs are sculpted and brought into being by pharmacologists in year. That is a condition not at labs. The term invention this process then the new drug definition is a CDSCO according to rule that is a new substance of a chemical and biological or biotechnological origin in a bulk or prepared dosage form used for prevention, diagnosis, or treatment of a disease in man or animals. New drug that is a drug already approved by the listening authority and which now proposed to be marketed with modified or new indications, that is a dosage form and a route of administrations. A fixed dose combination of two or more drugs individually approved earlier and now proposed to be combined for the first time in fixed ratio, or if the ratio of a ingredient in an already marketed combination is proposed to be changed with certain claims wise indications, doses from and route of administration. Stages of a new drug synthesis, that is a drug discovery. Candidate molecule are chosen on the basis of their pharmacological properties. Then the preclinical development, in these non-human studies, example toxicity testing, pharmacokinetic analysis, and formulation are performed. Then clinical development, the selected compound is tested for efficacy, side effects of potential danger in a voluntaries and patients. Then the drug discovery is the usual time duration 2 to 5 years and usual number of projects 100. It consists of a following compound, that is the target selection and validation, then lead finding or lead generation, lead optimization, and pharmacological profiling. Target based drug discovery, it is first made that modulations of the activity of a specific protein, that is a target will be have a beneficial therapeutic effects. The reverse pharmacological approach take about 2 years to obtain a new drug candidate. It is much faster and more efficient technique. Then the properties of ideal drug target, that is a target is a disease modifying and the has a proven function in the pathological of a disease. Then the modulation of a target is less important under physiological condition on in other disease. That is a target identification test. In this target identification strategies, gene expression profiling, genomics, or focused on proteomics, then the metabolic pathway analysis, molecular biology, phenotype analysis, then genetic associations. Then second lead finding and lead generation, approach of a new drug molecule, that is a molecular modeling, combination material chemistry, biotechnology, genetic medicines, and the immunopharmacology. Then molecular modeling, in this by the three-dimensional computer graphics allow design of a structure based on a new no molecules. That is then combinational chemistry. It is a systematic and a repetitive covalent connections of a set different building blocks of a varying structure to each other to yield a larger essay of a diverse molecular entities. This process is a faster, more efficient, and cheaper. Then millions of compounds can be synthesized in this lead process. That is a chemical compound. And limitation of a combinational chemistry is the building and maintaining the compound libraries is a costly business. And then biotechnology, therapeutic agents produced by biotechnology rather than conventional synthesis chemistry are called biopharmaceuticals, involved use of a recombinant DNA technology, genetic engineering to clone and express human genes and to produce large amount of hormones like insulin. This is all process of the drug discovery and the drug development. Thank you.